So you use Jellyfin. It works great, but let's be honest, it doesn't exactly look great out of the box. A lot of the interface feels outdated, the layout is inconsistent, the animations are minimal, and compared to modern streaming platforms, it just lacks that polished feel. If your setup still looks like this, then let me show you this. This is Abyss, a clean and minimal theme for Jellyfin. The home screen now features a cinematic spotlight banner that shows what you are currently watching, along with the metadata, backdrop artwork, and a quick resume button. The interface has been redesigned almost entirely, from the sidebar and tabs to dialogues, cards, inputs, sliders, and even the media player. Animations across the UI have also been refined to feel smoother and more responsive, with subtle transitions throughout the experience. Here, you can also see how the media player now looks much more modern because of Abyss. It focuses on smallest of details to give a polished look. That completely redesigns the interface with frosted glass surfaces, smoother animations, refined typography, and a much more modern design language. Even elements like this playback info card, which one will rarely open, is also targeted to maintain consistency. Apart from this, Abyss also pays attention to the music sections of Jellyfin. Look at how the audio player bar is consistent with the rest of the themes and includes similar animation improvements. One major concern that I personally had was with the default search page of Jellyfin. It looks awful. But Abyss takes care of it as well. The goal with Abyss wasn't just to make Jellyfin look great. It was to make it feel better to use every day. Now, finally, let's look at the refinements provided by Abyss in the settings page. It completely modernizes their look, grouping them in sections and giving a clean look. One major modification is that Abyss makes the save button floating. So when you modify any settings like this, you don't scroll at the down to save them, rather you just change and save on the go. Abyss is available on a lot of platforms, and the installer is also designed to make setup extremely simple. On Windows, Linux, macOS, and many other platforms, you can get everything configured in just a few steps. If you want to install Abyss on your setup, I have made separate installation guides for each platform linked in the description below. You can also find the full project setup instructions and customization options on the GitHub page and the website for Abyss. Try it out and let me know what you think about Abyss in the comments below. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.